For this station, you're going to need your beanbag. If you don't have it, you can get a rolled up pair of socks. But if you have your beanbag or know where it is, pause this video, go get your beanbag, come back when you are ready. Now that you're ready and have your beanbag, we're going to do some balancing with it. We're going to balance it on top of one hand. Doesn't matter which hand, because we're going to switch in a second. You're going to take that beanbag and balance it on top of your hand. Once it is balanced on top of your hand, I want you to try to move around a little. Take steps side to side like this and see if you can keep it balanced on that hand. We're doing this video together, so start if you haven't. Side to side, kind of like a little dance move. You're bending your knees, you're engaging your core, so you're tightening your stomach muscles. Let's switch that beanbag now to the other hand. I started with my left, so it's going to my right. Once it's balanced there, take those little steps side to side. See if we can keep it balanced. If you want to keep your eyes on it and focus on it, that's perfectly fine. You can look around the room as well, it's up to you. Knees are still bent, core is locked and engaged. Your stomach muscles are tight. Alright, now we're going to take that beanbag, put it on one of our shoulders, and go up and back. So it'll be on our shoulders, and you'll take a couple steps forward, a couple steps back. Like a Paul Abdul song. Here we go. I'm going to start on my left shoulder. Ooh, that's tougher. And we're going to take a couple steps forward, a couple steps back. Go ahead and try if you haven't started. If it slides off, no problem. Pick it back up and put it back on that same shoulder, because we are going to switch in a little bit. I'm peeking once in a while to make sure it's still there. Last time we were going side to side with it on our hand, now it's on our shoulder, going up and back. Alright, take that beanbag off, switch it to the other shoulder. And you can start going up and back once it's balanced. I'm going to get it nice and balanced. For those of you using a rolled up pair of socks, I'll try that this time instead of my beanbag. So it's on my shoulder and I'm going to start going up and back. There you go. Again, if it falls, no problem. Put it right back on and go back to balancing it up and back. Your core muscles are still engaged. Your knees are still bent. And you are balanced. All right. And I'm sure some of you anticipated this or guessed it was coming. Lastly, it's going to go on your head. Take my hat off. It's going to go balanced on your head. Of course, if I had my visor on, it could just sit in my visor, so that wouldn't be fair. So you're going to balance it on your head. Once it's balanced, you're going to move around in any direction in your room. As long as it's safe. You could be going up and back, left and right. You could be moving around the room you're in. Again, you want it to be safe. If only this area is safe, just stay in this area. So I'm balancing it on my head. And as soon as it's balanced, I'm going to start moving around. Remember to keep your chin up. As soon as you dip your chin, that beanbag will slip. Or if you pick your chin up too high, it'll slip backwards. Again, start if you haven't. Beanbag on top of the head, moving around. There you go. Keep going. If it slips, no problem, just put it right back on top. If you can do a little side-to-side dance with it on, or if you can dance at all with it on your head, awesome. Little balancing trick, up and back, left, right, up to you. Alright, friends. Good job today at your beanbag station. Stay active.